I'm Professor Ashish Hathi. As you can see that I'm conducting this workshop on crafting your winning marketing plan. This workshop is organized by Distance Learning Program Division at WeSchool for the students who are learning remotely various aspects of marketing management. Essentially, this workshop on marketing plan development will help those participants who will learn today the essentials of developing a winning marketing plan. So what are those core sections? Under each sections, what they must cover and how they must cover and what
Hi, I'm Samit Sahu. I belong to the JL21 July G2 batch. This is my third year currently with Welingkar. I've already done marketing as a specialization. Currently, I'm doing IT project management as a second specialization. I find Welingkar to be very close to me personally as well as professionally. I used to work at a corporate company. I could possibly relate all the nuances and all the study material that was given out to me, the lectures, the PCPs, and today's session was more on marketing plans and building a campaign around it. I've already done it, and what I was about to do, what I was able to do after this particular session was to relate all my experiential learning along with the theoretical part of it and get to know-hows of the theoretical aspects of marketing.